Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to show you some awesome mirrors I just bought online. If you want to check out these awesome mirrors, I'll leave the link down in the description below of this video for you, so you can check it out for the best deal. This one is listed as like a mirror for a home gym, and these are 12 inch by 12 inch. So this is the whole setup right over here. I actually have one that I removed, one I'm about to install, and some over here that don't have anything on it at all. So when you get them, they come nicely packaged and wrapped in this packaging material, and then the corners are protected with these plastic little covers. So whenever I install them, I actually use the double back taping that it comes with, and I put 9 pieces on the back of it. And then I also put like a little line of caulking just as an insurance policy to keep it nice and tight on the wall. As you can see right here, I actually removed this one because this was in a place that I didn't want it. But this right here is the caulking that I put on. And then this, you can see right here, is the double back taping that was removed by using this fishing string. This is actually braided line. You can use floss and just go right behind it in a sawing motion, and it'll cut right through it. So it's very simple to install. I'll show you a few of my projects. I have a gym I'm working on, and then some mirrors I'm trying to put up in the bathroom. So I'm about to install this one right here, and I already removed most of the tape off of here. I mean the protective tape that's on the back of it. So you just remove that, and then I put a little bit of caulking on it, and then I measure off everything with a measuring tape. So I'm about to install this mirror right over here, and the upside too is you can cover up any imperfections that's on the wall. Don't really feel like painting this, so I'm gonna go and put this mirror right over that spot. So I have this one up, and I use this level to make sure that it is spot on. This is the first one that's up, and I'm gonna put 5 more up. So this is what it looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And another one. Okay, so you wanna help me put this one up? This is number 2. All right, I finished it. Just gotta wipe it down. Casey likes looking at himself in the mirror now. Just using a microfiber towel to clean it off. Okay. Let me zoom back here, whoops. So this is what it looks like from this angle, and it's just 6 pieces of the 12 by 12 mirrors. All right, I'm gonna show you a little close up of how it looks. These are all 6 pieces. I'm gonna pan up and down and look at the seams. Once you get the first piece up, it's very simple to put them side by side and line them up. I will say that make sure that you try to get it right the first time and measure once before you tack it up there, because it is difficult to get off. So just a heads up, I'm not sure if this is a cat thing or not, but this knucklehead right here, Casey, and that knucklehead over there, Nala, they seem to think that they can go through this mirror. I'll show you a video overlaid over this one, and they were jumping off of this bench and trying to go through the mirror. And they, yeah, I'll let you see the video real quick. So I definitely highly recommend these mirrors, because this mirror is a whole mirror. This costs over $300 something, and for the same square footage, if I put the other 6 pieces together, it'd probably be almost the same square footage or length and width as this mirror right here for a fraction of the price. I think this was around $40 for 12 pieces, so great bargain. Time to go in the bathroom and show you this project. So try to zoom out as far as I can. It's kind of hard to see, but I installed 3 mirrors on this side. I didn't space them out. I left them tight like I did in the gym room, and put 3 on that side. So I'll zoom into this one first and pan down. And then I'll zoom into this one. And you can space them out or even put them diagonally, it's really up to you. So I just want to make it simple, but definitely love these mirrors. Really nice, cheap option if you want to just create the illusion of space, and obviously have the mirror for design aesthetics as well. But hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.